Good morning students. Welcome to online class Ken Kids Public School Noapada. How are you? I am fine here. I hope you might be happy with your parents. Students, since many days we have not seen each other. You know that our country is going on now a severe crisis, that is the COVID-19. Millions of people are suffering from this disease. So, it is not possible on the part of us to teach you directly inside the classroom. Today, we will learn about the grammar, that is the subject, sentence through this online. Let's start. Students, question may be arise in your mind. What is grammar? First of all, you must know about grammar. Grammar is the study of words, how they are used in the sentence, how they change in different situations. If we know the grammar, then we can speak correctly, write correctly, and read correctly. So, grammar is very essential in our day-to-day life. The sentence, what is sentence? Sentence means a group of words which makes a complete sense. In our day-to-day life, we speak many words, but that all words are not sentence. So when a group of words together express a full meaning, complete meaning, that groups of words is called sentence. Otherwise, it cannot be called a sentence. A sentence is divided in two parts, that is, one is subject, another is predicate. Students, you see that, look at the blackboard. Here I have written clearly sentence. A sentence is divided in two parts, subject and predicate. The subject means a person, things or idea. That means subject refers to a person, things or idea. Subject may be a person, may be a things or any idea. Predicate part containing a verb, a finite verb. In future you will know about the verb. The predicate part must contain a finite verb and stating something about the subject. How can you know subject? If you put questions what, and who, then you can get the answer, that is the subject. I am giving one example. The children are playing in the field. Who are playing in the field? The children are playing in the field. Here children, subject. The cow is grazing in the field. Who is grazing in the field? The cow is grazing in the field. Here cow is subject. The table is in the classroom. What is in the classroom? The table is in the classroom. So here table is subject. In this way you can find the subject. And predicate part, I have said that it contains a verb. Here you see the children are playing. Here children subject are playing predicate. The cow is under the tree. The cow subject is under the tree predicate. The book is on the table. The book subject is on the table predicate. You see that predicate part must contain a verb. In first sentence, are verb, auxiliary verb and playing main verb. In second sentence, only is auxiliary verb. In third sentence, is auxiliary verb. If you keep in your mind, predicate part start from the verb. then you can easily underline. Otherwise you can't do. Yes. Here I have written some rules for the making of sentence. When we want to make a sentence, we must give importance for its rules. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or a question mark or a exclamatory mark. When we want to make a sentence, that sentence must start with capital letter. Here you see, Ram is a boy. Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. Here, this is total. Here I have given full stop. Ram. Ram here I have written capital letter R. If I write here RAM, Ram is a good boy, and I will not give any punctuation mark, full stop, then grammatically it will be wrong. Any sentence, if you want to write, you must start with a capital letter and at the end you must give a punctuation mark. If it is a simple sentence, positive sentence, then you can give a full stop mark. If it is a question sentence, you can give question mark. Suppose, what is your name? What is your name? You must give the question mark. And what? I have written here capital letter. So keep in your mind, you must write the capital letter from the beginning of the sentence and give any punctuation mark at the end of the sentence according to the statement. Students, I hope you must understand it properly. Here I have given some homework. First question, find the subject in each of the following sentence. Meena has a cat. Geeta sings song nicely. Honey is sweet. I have said, if you want to find the subject, you must put the question. Who, what? Meena has a cat. Who has a cat? Meena has a cat. So in this way you can find in this sentence, the first sentence, Meena is subject. The first I have said, and 3 and 4 you will do yourself. And here the number 2, find the predicate in each of the following. I have already said the predicate part start with the verb. My father went to Cuttack. So which one is verb in this sentence? My subject is my father. Went, the verb to go, verb 1, verb 2 went. This is the main verb. Past verb. Went, past verb. Here went is verb. First one I have done for you. Here this one is verb. From my father went to Cuttack yesterday. My father subject, went to Cuttack yesterday. In this way, you will underline the predicate. You keep in your mind, predicate part starts with verb. So if you remember it, then you can write or you can find the predicate easily. Today time is over. I hope you understood it properly. Have a nice day.